Hi everyone. Tonight I'm going to share how to grow your social media following fast. This tip I actually learned from my mentor Tanya Elijah. Hello Tanya, thank you for being awesome. She is a 7-figure earner and I love her contents, and she gave great tips and advices, so I wanted to share with you guys. If it is our first time meeting, my name is Teresa Marie from teresamarieonline.com. I work with network marketers and small businesses owners. I do offer, suggestions, tips, strategies that you can use to apply to your own business. Have been a network marketer for 7 years now and had my ups and downs, so I have learned obviously do's and don'ts of network marketing. So basically, if I can save you time and money, then that's what that's my goal. I also have a website and a blog where I can share tips, shortcuts, and strategies. As you guys can see, you can check out my blog or my website right here. So my story is why I got started with network marketing. My main reason was my autistic son. You see, my son was born early and was in the NIC unit for about a month. From there, he didn't get any better. He had slow speech, walking and crawling. He didn't speak in complete sentence. I would say, now that I'm thinking about it, I would say more like 15 years old. And he's making great strides right now, actually. He's doing great. But it took a long time. So, he needed me, but I had to find a job to support my family. While I work my 9-to-5 job, I constantly worried about him. And was he safe was the questions always on my mind. He needed constant supervision, but I had to go to work to help the family. Lucky for me, I do have 2 other children to help me, but they are only children, not mother. That's why when the opportunity landed in my lap, I took it, and I never gave up on my dream. So to this day, I continue to do this online. I continue to grow my online business. I love helping people. That is why I am here. I'm not a salesperson, but I am here to help you to grow online with helpful tips and strategies to save you time and money. So the question is, are you guys having trouble growing your social media? Well, tonight I'm going to cover that. You can use these to generate a steady income for your business. But you have to remember one thing. It is not about how many subscribers or followers. It's all about the connection that you have with them. You can do this by building a strong, deep connection with your community and followers, so that they think of you as the go-to person for the information that you're providing, like my mentor. So let me ask you a few questions to get this show going. How many people here are new to network marketing or have been in business for a while or just joined a business? Love to hear what kind of business, what kind of business you guys are in. What kind of problems are you facing with your business? Are you having trouble getting customers or clients? Are you having trouble building your team? What is your biggest challenge right now? I also do Facebook Live every Tuesday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so don't forget to come and join me next week for another tips and strategies. Do you want help from me or work with me? Reach out to me And also, don't forget to say hello and ask your questions. Let's get started. Is it possible to build a business, big business, with a small following on social media? People think you need a huge following to make money. What do you think the answer is? Yes or no? If you said no, then listen up, because you can make a killing on social media with small following. It's not on how many fans or subscribers you have or people tuning in. It's what you're doing with and the connection you're making with the people that are tuning in. If you thought social media was madhouse, then you are not far off. People trying to get your attention, people trying to fight for other people's attention. So how do you stand out from the rest? The answer is make a first and lasting impression with your people, and here's what you do that. This one thing will help you stand out and grow your social media following fast. This simple strategy not everyone is using. You can do this on Instagram and Facebook. When you get a new follower or even a new person that likes one of your posts, reach out to them in private voice clip or leave them a nice little Facebook message. It takes 2 seconds of your time. You will be surprised at how many people respond, and this is how your engagement increases. Here's the process step by step. First, when you get a new like on one of your posts or new follower, go over to their profile and find something that you could use to have a conversation starter. One of their most recent posts was something that you liked. Maybe there was a reason why you liked it. 2, you would then send them a voice message or a message, and I'll give you a little script on what you can say and how to personalize it. Let's say their name is Tiffany. I'll say, "Hey, what's going on, Tiffany? This is Teresa Marie. I just wanted to say thank you so much for the following on my account. I went over to your profile and saw that you posted like XYZ. I really liked it because XYZ, and I'm just curious, is there anything that you would like to see more of from what I do here on Instagram or Facebook? Let me know. I'm curious what you're into and how I can specifically serve you." Or something like that. It's going to do 2 things. 1, it's going to get them to go, "Wow, that was super cool and nice." And naturally, that will make them want to engage more with you in the future stuff. 2, if you leave that message and ask them question, it's going to invoke a 2-way dialogue. The dialogue is also going to help you come up with content ideas that you can use to post in the future. After dialogue has started, you can ask them, "Hey, thanks for the follow-up. Is there anything that you would like to see more of here on Instagram or Facebook that I can post? Or what exactly are you into? How can I help?" Those kinds of questions give you great content ideas, and then you don't have to think about what content to create all the time. It does take time, but it's worth it for your business. Before I conclude, few things I want to share with you. First, did you guys get value from this presentation? If you did, please drop me a comment below and let me know what you loved the most. Would you use any of these tips? Or maybe you have used these tips before. Let me know in the comments. Also, make sure to share this information with someone you feel that would benefit from it. Second, I want to talk about my latest giveaway. It's called 3 Proven Facebook Marketing Tactics for Increasing Product Sales. Do you ever wonder why your Facebook postings aren't attracting more customers? You can't manage to persuade 20 people to raise their hands and buy stuff. I have a cousin who posts pictures of her family and she'll get like 20 likes in 1 hour or 20 minutes. So do many company owners struggle to get people to follow them on Facebook too. You probably want to give up and say that social media doesn't work for me. You are not alone if this describes your Facebook experience. It's not entirely your fault. The good news is that nearly every social network platform allows any business to reach large audience and convert that audience into income with low advertising budget. I have a solution for you guys. I do have a free PDF copy of this proven marketing tactics for increasing product sale. I will leave the link below so you guys can get a copy of it. Again, thank you again for joining me tonight. Before I leave, I want to share my next topic: how to locate the most desirable network marketing prospects online. Have an amazing evening, and I'll see you guys on next YouTube video. Bye for now.